welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how to create table in Microsoft Word. If you are a teacher and you have been struggling how to store student records in Microsoft Word using a table, this is the right answer. Click on Insert. Here you will see Table. Click on the Table menu. After clicking on the Table menu, you will be prompted with these arrows and columns of table. Here, as you move the mouse or the cursor, you can see the size of the table being formed. Depending on your requirements, how many rows and columns you wanted, you can form the table. In my case, I want to create a 4x4 table. Exactly, by clicking on it, you find the table already being created and added. Next, you can make some adjustments or add data and make your table meet your needs. Let's do that. For example, if you want to add a name of a student here, you can start typing the heading name. And then here, for example, marks. You can start entering numbers here, and then here student name, Elsa, let's say. There are other things I want you to know also. You can, for example, apply separate formatting for the headings and for the other data parts. You can play on the different settings here using the same way you apply formatting to documents. You can also do formatting to a table. Let's, for example, center the heading here. You can click on center and center it, or you can select the mother group and then click on center, and then you can click on these ones, make them left aligned. They are already left aligned. You can also shade if you wanted. You can also shade by clicking on the fill here. Whether you want a specific cell or the entire row, you can do. Another thing I want you to know in this part of tutorial is you can also adjust the font size. For example, the headings looks nicer or more attractive if you made them a bit bigger in font compared to the other. So you can set the font size. It's pretty much the same like with when it comes to formatting, like you do it with the other text. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.